We're in Spanish Town, Emancipation Square, which is the seat of local government right now, but which was originally the seat of government for Jamaica when the Spanish had colonized Jamaica. This place was built in 1534. It was taken over by the British in 1655. In front of us is what they call King's House. Now all colonials know that King's House is the residence of the King's representative, which we call the Governor or the Governor General. Across from that would be the original House of Parliament, was then called the Assembly of Jamaica, which is now the headquarters of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. And this is where the Emancipation Proclamation was read in 1834, because all bills were debated in the Assembly and then announced publicly in the square, right in front of the quote-unquote King's House. Spanish now is known as the oldest city. The oldest city in Jamaica is actually Seville. That's where the Spanish first set up their capital in the late 1490s. On arrival, that's where Columbus was. But Columbus didn't know Spanish Town. Spanish Town was established about 50 years after the Spanish had come, and they started to build structures, and this could be the seat of government.
So as you can see today, we've got Wode Maya here, we've got Stephen Golding. They're having a tour of Emancipation Square in Spanish Town. There is so much. So in front of me you've got the old courthouse, you've got King's House, you've got Rodney Museum, and you've got St. Catherine Municipal Corporation here. If you just have a look. So this is the World Heritage Trail, Jamaica National Heritage Trail, Spanish Town. So it's actually worth coming and visiting. There is steeped in history, and what's really good, you can come here and you can go and have a tour of People's Museum. So I'm going to show you. So right over in the corner there is the People's Museum there.